Rapallo, a gem on the coast of Liguria, Italy, captivates with its coastal charm, rich history, and relaxed atmosphere. Located in the beautiful Italian Riviera, this picturesque seaside town offers a unique experience that combines the natural beauty of the Mediterranean Sea with the authenticity of Italian life. With its winding cobblestone streets and colorful buildings rising against the backdrop of the sea, Rapallo invites visitors to immerse themselves in its vibrant atmosphere. From the lively promenade to the quiet alleys of the old town, every corner of Rapallo breathes history and charm. One of the highlights of Rapallo is the imposing Castle of Rapallo, a 16th-century fortress that stands majestically above the city and offers breathtaking panoramic views of the coastal landscape. History enthusiasts can explore the ancient walls and towers of the castle while delving into the medieval past of the region. In addition to its rich historical heritage, Rapallo is also known for its exquisite cuisine. Local restaurants serve fresh and tasty culinary delights, from freshly caught seafood to traditional dishes from the Liguria region, such as focaccia and Genovese pesto. Enjoying a meal al fresco at a seaside trattoria is an experience not to be missed in Rapallo. For those looking to relax and enjoy the sun and sea, Rapallo offers several sandy and pebble beaches where visitors can swim, sunbathe, or simply soak in the stunning sea views. The crystal-clear waters and gentle Mediterranean breeze create the perfect setting for leisurely days by the coast. In addition to its own charms, Rapallo serves as an ideal starting point for exploring other nearby attractions. The elegant coastal towns of Portofino and Santa Margherita Ligure are just a short drive or boat ride away, offering even more opportunities to discover the natural beauty and culture of the region. In summary, Rapallo is much more than a typical tourist destination. It is a place where history intertwines with modernity, where natural beauty meets cultural authenticity, and where every alley is an invitation to explore and discover. From its panoramic views to its exquisite cuisine, Rapallo offers an unforgettable experience for those seeking the essence of the Italian Riviera.